Okay, everybody, Mr. Gazza here. Applied Physics 128. Here we go. Draw the ray diagrams and the image for each. Here's the center of this curved mirror. This is the mirrored surface on this side. Here's our object. What's the image going to be? First thing we need to do is draw in the focus, which is going to be half of the distance to the C. So this measures to be, I measured to be 9.2, and half of that is, figure that out somehow. Either in your head, on paper, with a calculator. That's my focal point. So, and it says through C also. We're going to do that one last. So what you want to do is you want to draw the one ray that goes through F. Okay, so you draw it this way. It goes like this. And then the way it reflects off, you want to draw it as parallel to this line. Okay, that's that one. How that one ray of light will move. This one, anything light that is parallel to the principal axis there will hit here, and then it will reflect through F like that. Like that. Okay, so where they intersect is where the image is going to be right there. Now let's see where the intersection through C is in relation to that. Okay, now this one just so happens, because it's really large, so this kind of goes this way, and then it reflects back to go this way. It's off a little bit here. See, they kind of intersect there, and then the C is there. But that's close. It's a good check. But really, we're only going to use the ones through the focus, so we should draw it. It should be right about here. And so the image will be smaller. It'll be between center and focus, and it's going to be opposite direction. So we say it's inverted because here it's upside down and here it is sort of right side up. Okay, so this C is off a little bit again because it's so large. So don't worry too much about that. As long as it's close like that, you're good. Here is another one. Here we go. Here, this distance C is 5, so the F is going to be half 2.5. That's F. I'm going to draw it like this. Through F goes this way, like here, and then I'm really eyeing it up. I would get my head very right over it more to really get it more parallel to that principal axis as best we can. You could probably do a better job of it than I can at this desk with the camera over my head. Maybe like this, and then that goes through F. And where do they intersect? It's just the light from the tip of this arrow. Okay, so we're assuming the rest of it is going to be right there. So I'm going to draw it in like this. It's going to be very close. It's going to be further out from the mirror, and it will be inverted. So the image is upside down. It's a little bit larger as well. Okay, so that's what you need to do. This one will also go through C. Here's C here. I got to always measure. I'm going to measure with centimeters here. I measure here, and I get 6. Therefore, focus is halfway. F. Okay, so I'm going to draw it here through F. Okay, when it goes through F, it's going to reflect off parallel to this principal axis right there, like that. Okay, and then this is going to go. This is a little hard for me to draw here. Again, you really want to get your head kind of right over it, which I kind of can't. I'm going to go like this, and then it's going to reflect through F, like this. Okay, so this looks like the intersection point. Let's see what going through C. It goes through C. The light goes this way, and then it reflects straight off this way, so it kind of goes this way and then this way. And look, oh, that actually intersects really exactly at one spot. Because this mirror is smaller. So the C is a very good check in this case. So this is going to be your image. It's going to be much smaller, inverted, in between F and C. Alright, here we go. This is, I guess it's 7.1. I think I wanted to draw this as 7, so we're just going to call it 7. There is a margin error right there if you want. So 3.5 is about as accurate as we're going to get. That's F. We're going to draw it like this. Through there, and then we're going to have it reflect off parallel to this line, like that. And then this is going to be like this, like here, and then it's going to go through F. If you want to draw arrows on it all the way to help you, that's great. This is for you. Whatever's going to help you, that's fine. Because sometimes at the end, all the lines can be a bit confusing. Okay, that's that. Where they meet is right here. So it's a little further away from the, it's further away from the mirror, and it's going to be, again, inverted. All these images we're seeing are actually inverted, which is what, because we're not seeing any of the images before the focus. That's more difficult. The typical makeup mirror or whatever you may use, your face is between the focuses. Once you get past here, that's when it starts being inverted. So that's your image, and this is your image. Okay, so hopefully that works for you. As a little bit review of how this works. Okay, that's 128. We are concave mirrors for myself and all the people at Gazdoni Productions. Thanks for watching.